Hello po! Welcome to Transfer 8 Riverbanks Mall, Marikina page. So, ipapakita ko po sa inyo ang aming pin post po. Here's our caption or footer, same-day delivery, pre-art mockups, comprehensive printing services. We look forward to your visit and be part of our story. We accept advance order via online and delivery. A reliable printing partner is here to serve you, offering quality printing solutions and exceptional services. Here's our open every day, 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. and different hashtag and contact numbers. Here's our front display and different hashtags din po. So here's our promo limited time. Our premium polo shirts are perfect balance to your style and comfort for your uniform. No minimum order, nationwide delivery, valid until March 11, 2024. There's our promo mechanics and different hashtags. Ito naman po ang Canvas tote bag promo po namin. 2 for 230 pesos, 3 for 350 pesos. Nandyan na rin po ang aming mechanics, valid until March 25, 2024, our contact number and different hashtags. Ito naman po ang buy to get one free na magic mug or inner color mug po namin. Nandito na rin po ang mechanics, then valid until March 25, 2024, our contact number and different hashtags po. Nandito naman po ang ating rewards card na binabalik-balikan ng ating mga customer. So, nandyan na rin po yung mechanics, contact number, and hashtags. Our 50% off regular or special vinyl, nandyan na rin po yung mechanics, contact number, and different hashtags. Free celebrant t-shirt for 3,000 worth of souvenirs. Here's our mechanics, contact number, and different hashtags. So, ayun po ang aming mga pin posts. So, thank you po.